I have arrived at Black Swan. I'm not sure what's gonna happen after this, but in the meantime, let's go in and see what we can find and warm up. My next cat for my little cat event. $4, I'll take that. My non-existent cat event. I love it. Okay, but also, what is happening here? Dude. Foot cast planter? That's vintage, too. $5? Well, that's a no-brainer. So great. Feet sell. All right, now. $10, that's contemporary, I think. Let's keep going. We're off to a really solid start. Wow, look at that Murano art glass. Millefiori. Clown, that is an epic bottom to that thing. Lots of great stuff in these cases, although I've been having a great time not going into cases. What about this cat figurine? $5, we'll take that. And this one's $3. I feel like you can't go wrong for $3, but what is happening here? That's very interesting. $18 though. I'm gonna need a lot of cats. Wow, look at how pretty this color is. The basket weave, $29. That's an amazing color. Little cat planters, all kind of close to retail. What about over here? It's been a long time since I've been here. Look at the Mickey hand. That's kind of fun. Wow, look at this Fenton. That is gorgeous. $30. Wow, it's got their original sticker on it too. They'll do 10% on it, so it would be $27. I wonder if that's a good buy. I kind of feel like it is. $27. It might be a little close after fees, but I don't know, man. That's really pretty. All right, so after looking at comps, I think it's a little close, just a little close. I could make a couple bucks off of it, but I don't know if 27's enough to justify spending that up front. Oh, it's so hard to leave that behind. This candy cane is spectacular. Oh my gosh. I wish I could justify needing that for something. I turned my camera on so we can experience for the first time together. Let's see. I also like this head. $10. Wow. Japan. That's really spectacular. I got $10 for that. I feel like that's a good buy. And another one. Here, we'll start on this side. This little cat planter. That's adorable. It's got some wear. It's only $3. Somebody painted it. Still cute, though. Oh my gosh, the boxing baby, how spectacular. But that's at $19, that's really close. And I looked at this last time. And this is really pretty, this blue glass, $35. Oh, hello. Wow, that's adorable, $19. It's got too much wear for me to do $19, I think. Although that's a really good one. So many freaking trinkets. Now, I remember this booth as having like the best stuff ever. The price is a little close for me, but just kidding. Look at this cat. That one's only $9. That's spectacular. I'll take that one. And then, what about the Siamese? $15. Yeah, that's a little close. Look at the pink angel cow. How great. $30. Dang. Weird snail planter. Peter. Oh, interesting. I don't know what that is. Peter Potts. Interesting. It's got a certain look to it. I love all the pink glass over there, even though it's too close for me to do anything with. This is really fun. Look at that. That would be perfect for Christmas. Is this a liquor bottle? It's fantastic. Oh my gosh. How grand is he? Donkey. Yeah, wine bottle. That's really wild. I love him. This is a really cool vase too. Look at that. Super unique. What is this? Interesting. That's probably something. I can't focus on anything else though, because let's be honest, this is what I'm really here for. Let's start over here. This is beautiful. It's pink. And it's got the little Fenton steel. $11. I mean, the fact that it's pink though. Giraffe for my imaginary giraffe sale. When I was on my last road trip, I saw so many giraffes. I've never seen so many giraffe figurines in all my life. Let's see. This is an interesting color. Mosser Singing Angel Paperweight. $9. I kind of like that. Let's see. The little Indiana glass heart box. That's pretty. Like the top of that. I love the spaghetti poodles and chairs. But they're $14 each. Yeah. Dang, that's too close. I was hoping it might be for the pair, but I should have known better. Look at the reindeer salt and pepper shake. Oh, a single Holt Howard. How fantastic. $25. And then the October Angel, that's another good one. I'm sure that's right on point though. They usually are. More cats. I like this little Siamese guy. He's at $6. I think I'll grab that. And then, what is this weird poodle thing? Japan. $4. That's fantastic. I will definitely take that. I feel like the Siamese cats and the ones with like more unique sleek faces sell better too. I see a sugar cat figurine, $10 though. That's a little close for me. Oh my gosh, how cute is this dog? 3-piece, oh, there's its little friends. $15 though, that's a little close for me. Wait, look at Pinocchio up there. Hold on, I gotta put this basket down. Yeah, what's going on with Pinocchio? Oh my gosh, it's paper mache. No, it's plastic. Wow, I feel like an airhead. Oh, that's so cool. Pinocchio is kind of hard to find. I've never seen that exact bank. If I have, it's been so expensive. I haven't been paying attention. I love this Flower Frog nude. Back here, I'm going straight for this. Look at this crazy basket. I feel like if this is cheap, this is an exception. $15. It's not that cheap. It's totally wild. I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that bear. Oh, that bear has everything. Wow. He's got like this really endearing face on him. Oh, that's painful to leave behind too. He needs love, not a showcase. Look at those funny owl rocks. Well, I was drawn to the Blanco vase back here, but $65, that's about what my last one sold for. 17, yeah. Well, there's a couple things in here that really strike my attention. One, of course, is that epic monkey. And the other is this. Look at that, Jack in the Pulpit. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm a sucker for Jack in the Pulpits. That is gorgeous. Dude, it glows light, like lime green. That's so cool. That's $76.50. It's really expensive, but I actually think it's worth more than that. Huh. I can't lie. I kind of lost myself to that vase, the Jack in the Pulpit. I'm kind of looking for somebody to say it's okay to bite the trigger on that. I'm looking at this Blanco thing. Yeah, I don't know if I can see anything after that Jack in the Pulpit. I would sell it. I don't think I'd make that much money off of it though, honestly. I think I'd only make a few bucks, but still it would be an epic pull. I don't know, I kind of thinking about gambling with it. All right, yeah, I can't stop. I don't see it says firm, so I do think it's the 10%, so it comes to 76. I think I'm gonna pull it out and massage it and make sure there's no chips or cracks. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna make a ton of money off of it, but it would be awesome to just even have one once. I've never bought and sold one of those. Wow, look at that, Bakelite. Bakelite, what's going on there? Bakelite, well, Bakelite baby toy, 20 bucks. That's not bad either. Yeah, this is distracting me though. I need to take care of that. Now, I did go ahead and pick up that Jack in the Pulpit, but I also just spotted this. Now, I know I kind of diss on glass baskets, but I'm trying to figure out why this one is only $15. I love the look of that. It's like my favorite, and then it glows like crazy too. Really neat. Yeah, for 15 bucks, I feel like that's safe. I actually feel pretty good about that. I ended up spending $138 in there. I'm not sure how that happened. I kind of feel like the vase is worth that alone. So I'm gonna get back in the car and reassess what my next move is, but we'll see you guys when I get there.